What's up, chat? We are live, man. Back. You guys could see my son in the background. He's chilling right now, eating his dinner. We've just been having a good time here, man. Happy to be with my son for this amount of time. It's been a great time so far. Yesterday was his birthday, so we spent some time celebrating. But overall, everything is looking good. So I'm pretty much ready to lock in right now, guys. As you guys could see, I got my whole setup here. Well, you guys can't really see it, but you could tell because we're streaming right now. So that's why I wanted to get this specific setup, because I know for me, in my trading journey, I'm going to travel often, very often. I mean, that's one of the main reasons why I even started trading. I started trading not only because of the money, but because of the time and freedom that it allows me to have. And that's what really sold me back then. Around that time when Forex came about, it was promoted through trade and travel. That was like the slogan, like to be able to travel and trade. That was like the main thing that caught me. For me, it was the traveling part, because I love traveling, but you need money to do that. So trading is the solution. So that's, for me personally, what got me really locked in and just wanting to do it, being able to have that time and freedom to be able to travel, work wherever. Right now I'm in Arizona, visiting my son for the next week and a half, just spending time with him since I haven't been around him for the past 5 months or so after being split up with my ex. But overall, everything is looking great, man. I am happy to be here with him. Spent a lot of great moments with him as well. So now I'm pretty much, ready to lock in and get some work in on the chart. So first thing first we're going to look at is gold, of course. I know it already started moving. I've seen some sales happening. I did not really react too much, but I already knew and seen the sell happening. And then for Nas, it's been going up and down, of course. You know how that goes. But here we go. All right, this is gold right now. And this is not gold. Hold on. Every time it keeps changing from gold to Nas. I need to fix that. All right, make sure we're good to go. All right, let's do. I usually have my gold in the front, honestly. XAU USD. Alright, here we go. Alright, so as you guys know, gold have been selling a bit. And it's not done yet. It got a little bit more down to go. A lot of move kind of happened from last week to now. A good amount of move happened. And I'm going to point it out real quick. First, let's point them out, on a naked chart, and then we're going to add the indicator to see what's really going on here. All right, so 1 second. All right, let's do it without the indicator. Okay. All right, so first of all, chat, you already know, I'm going to ask you guys, what do you guys think is going to happen? What you guys think gold is going to do? Where you think it's going? You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the chat. I like when it's very interactive. What it's gonna do, where you think it's going. It gets me going. So, what do you guys think gold is gonna do, man? Because I already could see what's had happened, and I could see why it happened. And I've created some videos that's gonna drop this week on why. So we just need to see now exactly what's going on. As of right now, where is price going? Which direction price is going? How we're really going to be able to take advantage of the opportunities, because we already know, based on previous lives we did, previous videos put out, we know the market goes from zone to zone. We know, okay, based on the jackpot strategy, the backbone of the jackpot strategy is the Benjamin. Okay, the Benjamin is like the skeleton of the strategy. Once we have that, then we could figure out everything else. So we know price came from this area. First, we were expecting to be way before. We were expecting price to reach down here at this bottom Benjamin area. but price never reached it. And we talked about this multiple times. We had one test here, two tests here, three tests here. This is another test here, and I think price is going to really push down. I'm actually going to do another analysis, a brand new analysis on this gold right here, just to be able to see exactly how it's going to go about, and then from there we'll be good to go. Alright, let's see. I just want to make some space here just so I could see the chart bigger. Alright, yeah, so tell me guys, what do you guys think gold is going to do, and then we're going to get right into it on breaking it down, see what's going on. Alright, let's see chat. Yes, thank you guys. Appreciate the birthday wishes for King. You definitely enjoy it. Are you done, buddy? You're not done yet. I'm still eating. Where's the water? Pick it up. Alright, put it on the table, okay? If you want some, just open it, or you could call me. Alright. Okay. Alright, chat, hold on. You're almost done, man. Good job. Good job, man. Yeah. All right, awesome. Good job, man. Let's skip this for you. Finish your food, alright? Alright guys, we're back. Alright, good boy. Alright, we back. Yes sir, appreciate that. Team. Big 3 for my boy King. He's getting older day by day. Alright, so here we go guys. We're gonna go ahead and get prepared for the potential completion of this move. I wanted to know what you guys think gold is going to do, and then we're gonna break it down and analyze it. We already know from, again, previous meetings we did that gold goes from zone to zone. We already established that. The Bollinger Band is the skeleton, basically the skeleton of the market. So if price is right here, we have 1, 2, 3. This is a triple top, okay? This is how I'm gonna analyze my chart when I'm ready to analyze. All right, and then from there we go into H1 to H4 time frame. We see we reach a top Bollinger Band area, which made price go towards the middle Bollinger Band. I see some people saying here saying, okay, potential buys on gold. My guy just saying middle Bollinger Band to bottom Bollinger Band, yeah. Looks like a downtrend on gold. Yeah, that's what I think as well, Randy. I'm going to go over US 30 in a little bit. And then NAS to do that. And then we could do BTC XRP as well. So here's what we have going on, guys. Right now, gold is on a downtrend, man. Price is pushing down. It's not like a mature downtrend just yet. It's more so like a start of a downtrend, realistically. That's what's happening on gold right now. So you really want to be paying attention around this move. So, all right, on the H4 time frame, all right, we see where we at now. On the H4 time frame, to actually reach this bottom Bollinger Band, We need another. H4 time frame. Let me see how many more pitch that would be. No, not that one. Let's say if we enter here. Oops, what am I doing? We enter here. Alright, let's say stop loss is tight. And then we have take profit right here. Target. This area here at TP. 178 pips. It's not bad. 178 pips is a good amount for that drop. Alright, now, of course, you know me. I would love to see a nice pullback to give us that entry. So it all depends on how the market end up playing out. Alright, I'm going to remove this for now. Alright, so we know we coming from top Bollinger Band on gold, middle Bollinger Band, bottom Bollinger Band. TP. Final TP. So realistically, early entry was up here. TP1, break, re-entry, retest for a take profit down here. Alright. So now, let's see what Jamar said. Price recently touched and swept available liquidity around 33.02. Price is pulling back to continue sell. 3,300 zone. Yeah, I believe so. I know so as well. Until price break past under 32.40, it's still bullish. Overall, yes, this would be a major support zone when it's time. Now, here's what I'm seeing. Gold is coming from the higher time frame for sell. We have a major wick on the weekly. This is still an early sell. All right, here's what I think going to happen. Personally, if I go from zone to zone, I'm seeing this was an entry. We would love to get a retest. Let's see where the retest could potentially go to. This one is too high. Maybe this one, but realistically, all right, realistically, we could get a retest right here, guys. 5-minute time frame. Middle Bollinger Band is a retest area where we could be able to sell gold again and make a nice profit on it. This area here, because the whole band itself is on a downtrend on that 5-minute time frame. Remember, in the jackpot strategy, the band, right? The band, right? The band itself is the main skeleton of the whole jackpot strategy. If I turn on jackpot strategy, it should only show me confirmation. What confirmation? Keys on entry sell right here. Top Bollinger Band 5-minute time frame. Also keys on entry high. Now, of course, depending on the time this happened, if you're not paying attention, you're not going to catch it. If you don't have no pending orders, you're not going to catch it. You just have to be in front of your screen and actually see those confirmations to take action. Now, price started selling. All right, good thing it's not selling like crazy, leaving us behind for entry. What's happening here, we're going to get some sort of a pullback. Now, I would love to get the pullback here or here. Realistically, right underneath the key zone low is where I would want that pullback, and then I could drop a nice risk on this for a sell. But if it doesn't happen, I'm looking forward to getting it in the middle Bollinger Band on the 5-minute time frame. Now, in the jackpot strategy as well, we also had a signal around this area here that said to sell gold, but on the 1 minute we had it even earlier. So now, what I'm going to do, if I zoom in a bit, I know right here we could really get a nice, realistically, re-entry opportunity. So here's how I'm going to analyze this. I'm going to pretty much freestyle with this. All right, we already see prices going down from here. Prices going down from the 15-minute time frame as well here. Prices going down from the 5-minute time frame. We're going down everywhere. All right, so once we see this happening, we understand this is happening. I'm going to go ahead and hide my Jackpot strategy and then analyze this right now on a pretty naked chart. All right, so we have on a weekly time frame. I already do this with. Let's see how it would look. It's a little bit too high. We got 1 retest, 2 retests, 3 retests. We still looking pretty bullish, guys. We still looking pretty bullish. Matter of fact, adding a trend line here is not going to hurt at all. Okay, just on the weekly time frame, because where price is going right now is very crucial. This could be a weekly breakout for either a buy or a sell. So I want to know what's going on. So we're going to do. Weekly trend line. We could even be more details. We could say weekly uptrend line. Alright, let's see how it looks on a daily. Alright, on a daily we have multiple retests. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I could go ahead and mark those as retests for sure if I want to, but this top right here is not too much of importance right now until price fully decides to go back up here again. Alright, so what's important right now is these crucial points in the market, which is where the trend line is testing on the higher time frame. So I could even go ahead and just be more in depth with this and just mark it as my zones. This area is very important, right? Crucial area. All right, this is where we had a retest. Remember this? We had a retest there. It's a bullish retest too. So go ahead and do it like that. Also, right here, okay, just like we had a breakout and price fully reversed, we could have the same thing here as well. So we just have to prepare for it. There it is. And we're going to have one just right here as well. All right, remember what I said, guys. This area here is very crucial. It's very important here. Whatever happens here is going to be huge. So we just have to be on our toes, ready to go. H4 time frame, this is how it looks though. So on the H4 time frame, something very cool here is happening. You see from what I'm seeing? All right, we had a retest here on the H4. This is how it looks now on the H4. We had a retest here at this low. Price went right back up. Fully gave us a entry at the H4 top. And then we had now we having another retest around that area. Now, one thing I noticed is price did not fully test the trend line on the H4 time frame, because everywhere else we had a retest. You see what I'm saying? Even at the wick here, we had a full retest. Here, we know it's a strong area, but we did not have a full retest. So we may end up going back down here to retest this area where we want to already be in our entries. And then from there, we should be, once we break this threshold to the low side, then we could possibly expect to go even lower on gold towards this area here. Now, one thing I am keeping in mind as I'm maneuvering and going through this I'm also noticing that the stochastic on the H4 is very, very low as well. You see what I'm saying? Multiple times it's very low and it's keep going lower. So we may have a strong pullback. Although volume right now is not fully ready for a reversal fallback, because you can see it's been going down. But on the H1 time frame, it's pretty exhausted here since we've been selling for a little minute here at the top. All right, it's pretty exhausted since it's been selling there. Now, as you can see here, it's been just going red. It stays underneath, stays red, more sells, stays red, pullback, stays red. Probably gonna have another pullback here. It may stay red. I don't know how long it's gonna stay red for, but that all depends on how we looking on the 30-minute time frame as well. So let's see on the 30-minute time frame. All red as well, but we do get a pullback here. So once the re-entry opportunity is gonna be valid for a buy or sell, and this is how we're gonna be able to be more patient with our trades as well, by looking at the volume indicator as well. Once we get a full test around the middle area here, then we'll see where price end up being by the time it fully pull back. Hey buddy, you wanna say hi? You do? Alright, come. My boy King wanna say hi to the chat. Say hi. How do you say? Look, this is us right here. Oh, yeah, this is us right here. How do you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. You got it. This is the camera right here. This is where it records you, and we see ourselves right here. You see? Let's scoot back a bit so it could see us. Hold on. You see it? This is us. There you go. You see you? Yeah, that's true. And then the people here, they're watching. The people watching. Say hi. We gotta do it at the camera. You gotta look at the camera. Say hi, chat. Let me scoot back. Say hi, chat.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, chat.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, chat.
Hi, Dad.
Yeah. That's us right here. You look so cool. Yeah, you're very good at that. Alright, buddy. That is almost done. We're gonna play. Yeah, man, my boy getting so big. It's just a wonderful feeling, man. I ain't gonna lie. It's a beautiful feeling for sure. Yeah, man, my boy getting so big. Alright. Let's get back into it. Alright, so here we go, man. Right now, price is heading up here. Alright, again, I'm watching the volume to see how it's really reacting, and then I'm going to be getting ready to get in my trade real soon later on. So where I'm at right now, the time zone is different. I'm 3 hours behind Eastern time, so I get a chance to be up a bit early, later, even around like 12, 1 or 2 a.m. Eastern because it would only be like 10 p.m., 11 p.m. for me. So I get some good moves during London session for sure. Like right now it's 6:28 p.m. So 6:28 p.m. It's what 9? Yeah, 9:28 p.m. Eastern. So yeah, I'm gonna be here for a week, man. I'm trying to lock in, but most importantly, spending time with my son, bro. Like being fully present, just doing what I need to do as far as like just being there for him for the time that I have. Like I'm gonna be locked in the chart too, but if I don't make crazy amounts of money this week because I'm spending time with him, I don't mind as well. But I'm also gonna be focused, locked in, just making sure that I'm taking the proper trade, proper stop loss, and simultaneously just being present as well. Just being there with my son, just spending time with him. So definitely locking in. So yeah, gold right now, 5 minute time frame. I think we're gonna get a pullback here. I'm going to go ahead and start marking that. I could mark it on the H4 time frame if I want to, but at the same time, I'm just gonna mark it based on the key zone. I'm going to have two, one at daily entry now. This is where we could enter gold sell and actually profit if it doesn't go pull back a little higher. So we'll have to wait and see to see exactly if it is going to pull back. Let's see. We definitely have a major resistance on here, guys. I'm not ignoring that at all. Alright, zoom in. This is how we're looking. Alright, H1, this is how it looks. The only thing that is pushing price towards the pullback is the bottom Bollinger Band stop that they had this morning. So with that bottom Bollinger Band stop right there, I'm going to say either we're going to have the sell now from daily entry, first analysis. Either way, I'm going for a sell. If I were to take my first attempt right now, it'll be from the daily entry to average daily range low right there. And if price don't give it to me there, either I'm going to have a big stop loss here, which is, how many is that? What is that? 75 pips? That's not that much. Hold on. No. It's not moving. Why is it saying 750? Huh. I need to fix my trading view because it's not calculating my pips good. Here it calculated 216 pips. Alright, 216 pips at average daily range low, but what is my stop? It's saying it's saying 750 all over the place at every number. So that's not it. But realistically, let's just have it here for now. If I have it up there, it's a 1 to 2 trade, which I don't like that setup. It's too. We don't need to do a 1 to 2 trade. We could do a 1 to 3 trade. Let's have it right here. All right. If price don't give it to me there, I'm gonna get it right here at the keys on low. Probably get it right here. These are the two areas I'm actually marking right now of where I'm going to get my entries for the sell when it's ready. Either right now at the key zone at the daily entry, which I don't really want it, but mainly at the key zone is where I'm really going to take that trade. So I'll say right underneath here, right there, with a little bit tighter stop loss. I won't need to have a big stop loss for this one. Yeah, something just like this, guys. Like, very simple, straight to the point, you know, without doing too much. We already know we're in the sell trend. This is how it would look right here with just the Bollinger Band. It's pretty smooth. So overall, based on my analysis that I just did from this view only, price is going down for a sell. All right, that's my analysis. And where I'm expecting entries, I'm expecting entries either where it's at right now, at daily entry. Okay, at daily entry, where it's at right now, exactly right now. Or I'm going to wait to get the entry right up here, right above here, which is around the, which one is going to be? Around the 30-minute right here. This is where it's going to be. Around the key zone entry. Right around the key zone entry is where I want to get that entry, personally. There's also a 50 MA there as well. A nice pending order there is gonna be a great trade. Matter of fact, I'm going to send this trade right now as a pending order. We're going to sell it at the key zone low. Let's go ahead and send that over right now. Alright, I'm sending a signal right now for the sell entry. We're gonna get it at key zone entry low. Since we already had a major breakout here, we're just gonna get a retest. Once we get that retest, then we could sell it. We don't want to sell right now, exactly right now at the daily entry, simply because at the daily entry, we already could see price breaking above it. You see that? Half trend is also green for a buy on the 30-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, yep, just turned green. 5-minute time frame, just turned green as well. As you can see, price is pushing. So the more price keep pushing, the better it is going to be for us to get a better sell entry when the time is right. And I think that sell entry is going to be here, where it's at right now, or here. But the best entry is at the daily, at the key entry zone. I'm going to send this signal for a pending order, and I'm going to make it just a little bit lower where price is at, and then I'll be able to better calculate how we're going to get this move. All right, let's go ahead and do it right now. I'm pretty confident on the sell opportunity. If stop loss trigger, stop loss trigger. But right now we are in a downtrend. We need to go to H4 bottom Bollinger Band. All right, let's send that over. I'm going to do it on my phone. It's a little quicker for me on the phone. I don't like to type too much with a keyboard for PC. You having fun there, buddy? Did you finish your food?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. You got more. Can you eat some more?
No.
Please. If you eat more, I got a treat for you. Remember the treat? Yeah, you just have to eat it. Alright, trading ideas. We're going to do sell limit XAU USD. We're going to do a sell limit price. Like I said, I'm making this my sell limit a bit lower. Yeah, I'm making it pretty lower just because it may not fully test that key zone area. So just have it right here. It's a limit price. That's gonna be exactly 33.22.603. Alright, we're gonna have stop loss price right up there. So let me calculate what stop loss is gonna be. Alright, price is 33.22.603. I'm just putting it in right now on my accounts. Man, I can't paste no more. 0.603. Let's say we have stop loss right above. We could even make it just a little lower because I don't think price is gonna go way that high, or else it's a buy. That's 33.29 to 52. 33. 29 and 250. All right. And then TP is gonna be average daily range. Okay. It may break it when it gets there. Okay, it may break it when it gets there, but we're gonna already have caught a lot of pips on that move. Okay, so now let's calculate our stop loss and take profit on this. We're risking 66 pips. Okay. Hold on. To make to make 32.75. Hold on. 32. Hold on. 32.77, 670. 77.670. You didn't finish your food. You have to eat some more.
No.
Alright, let me see how much you ate. Hold on, chat. Let's see. Where's the fork? You brought the fork again.
We're almost done. And then I'm gonna give you one more and then you're gonna. Easy peasy. You'll never defeat me. Bring my A game. This fight has only started. You gotta eat the whole thing. Alright, you eat it a lot. You eat it a lot.
And drink some water. And you can have your snack. I did promise you some snack, right?
Alright, don't make a mess. If your hands get dirty, clean it with the napkin. Get some water. Oh, hold it. Try and stop.
Finish?
Let's make this count.
Good? Nice. You finished all the water, buddy. Let's see if Price reaching there. Price is almost there.
Watch and learn. What's up?
Alright. Finish. Good job. High five. Good job. Okay, we're back. Yeah, we're back. All right. Yeah, I got you guys. I'm gonna do some analysis for the ones that requested. All right, so here's where I think it's going. Again, I got my entries. This entry doesn't even matter at this point. I mean, it does matter because that's a re-entry opportunity when price reach there again. And one thing too, I noticed on the mobile, on MT5, if you use MT5, you could actually write daily entry, key zones, and stuff like that. I'm gonna do that later. But from what it's saying right here, it seems like it's telling me my take profit price Let's see if it's right. Let me see how many pips we gonna get. Okay, 32. 32. 7. 8.046. Okay, not bad. We getting that's pretty good. We getting on this move 445 pips. That is solid, man. That is pretty damn good. Oh yeah, I don't want to miss out on this move right here. This is gonna be a huge move, actually. Yeah, very big move. Yeah, so we got potential entries going down there. I'm risking about, I'm doing a 0.60, risking about it says 144, 244, 0 point. I did 2 entries at this around the same area, so that's gonna equal to 144 plus 243, 390. Let's say 400 even. I'll lose on this move if it does not go my way. But yeah, it's also around the 800 MA, depending order is at too. So I'm feeling pretty confident on that pending order move I'm about to send to you guys right now. I'm gonna be locked in on that trade, just letting you guys know. All right, let's do it. Let me finish sending the order. So we got that, and then we have stop loss. No worries, guys. I'm gonna share everything with you guys by the time I'm done with it. You know, I told you guys, if you keep showing up, you're gonna get the sauce, man. You're gonna get some free signals that hit. We only risking 65 pips on this. I'm actually gonna make it bigger and risk 70 pips overall. To be fair, you feel me? To be fair. Yeah, 70 pips. You know what I'm saying? That's like, come on, dude. You can't go wrong with that. All right, done. Done. Okay. So now let's go ahead and enter that trade. Make sure I give it to you guys. Stop loss price. Damn, that's a good amount, man. Risking, think about it, guys. Risking 70 pips to make 400 pips return. That's a bag. We don't want to miss out on that. So that's been on a standard lot. You're risking $700 to make $4,000. It's not bad at all. You know, it's a great opportunity. SL, and then we're gonna do take profit. One take profit. We can have multiple take profit, but this trade I'm going all the way. It should go all the way fast because it's already in momentum. All right, we risking 70 pips. And we're gonna do reward plus realistically the take profit. It tells me the take profit total on this move is 445. 445. That's 80 or low. All right, and here's the note. All right, in the notes, this is where I put my confirmation. All right, and this is why I tell you guys what did I see to be able to just get in that trade. Notes. So what I'm seeing is right now, again, I say if we don't get this entry, we could just get in the daily entry line. It's a fine trade. You just have to readjust your stop loss to make it make sense. But we are going to go down on this move for sure. So here's what we do. Here's what we do next. Next, what we do is we see exactly how we're going to be able to actually take advantage of this move. So this is where the execution come in at. All right, so once the signal is sent, you have to decide now. All right, first let's find out the entries. Let's find out the entries. All right, I'm going to say in the note, key zone, break of support at key zone entry low. Entry low. We are entering with a pending order at the retest of the key zone low from JPS. Okay, that's one. I also, all right, what else did I notice? Okay, I also noticed on the H4 time frame, price is looking to go reach the bottom Bollinger Band area for take profit. I'm going to say that as well. All right, I also want to see on the next chart on gold, when is the next hour is going to come up as well. But it does that. All right, next hour in 4 minutes. But also on the H4 time frame, when is it going to come up? It's not showing me. Which pair shows me the timing? Oh, there it is. There it is. In the next 3 hours, we're going to have a new H4 candle. So, yeah, in the next 3 hours, I'll make sure I'm in my trade for that nice move we're going to get. So here, it acts like it's going. What do you need, King? What is it? You want milk? Hold on, guys. I gotta get him some milk. He went and grabbed it from the fridge. This boy is so smart. That's what you want, milk? Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go give you milk. Let's go. Let's get you a cup.
You love your milk.
Yeah. You always love your milk. All right, we back. Okay, I was gonna say here also, price is near H4 Bollinger Band for take profit. H4 bottom Bollinger Band for sell, take profit. Signal has been sent. Be ready, man. Be ready to lock in. It's really going to go in the next 3 hours. Okay? It's really going to go in the next 3 hours for the new H4 candle that's going to carry us into the London session. So it says here, yeah, 3 hours. There it is. New hour now. All right, 2:59 left. Yeah. You just gotta wait now. I just sent the signal. Let me show you guys how the signal look for those that don't know. All right, those that are not in this group yet, find your way to get in this group. So take a good look at the signal here before I switch over the screen. All right. Thank you, Chad. Jamar said, just to confirm, your entry of interest is the key zone low. SL 60 pip targeting TP 32 for 400 pips. Is this right? Yes, correct. Exactly correct. But my stop loss is 70 pips overall, just to give it a little bit room to do a little pullback, take people out and stuff. And then from there, I think it's gonna go. If it does, it may not even do a whole 70 pips. It may just do a 50 pips drawdown or 30 pip drawdown and then goes. Either way, I'm gonna be in the trade, locked in. Once that entry is triggered, I got a 0.60 in. That's my first entry, and then I'm doing a standard at daily entry. So I'm gonna have a 1.60 in. If I could reach all the way to take profit, I should easily be able to walk away with more than 6,000. So that's the plan on that particular setup itself, because I got 0.60 pending plus one standard exactly at daily where I'm gonna have my next entry, and then we're gonna ride that thing down. And I think it's gonna happen in the next 3 hours. At the new H4 candle, I'm gonna be in my entries. Hopefully by the entry trigger, and then from there, it's time to go. So that's all is it to it. Yeah. So let's see how it goes, man. That's the play right there, Jomar. I know you've been doing a lot of studying, so you already know what's going on, man. So you could validate a lot of the things. And this move, the reason why I'm planning on just holding this move all the way down, because price already tested this space 3 times. The next time, I don't think it's gonna come back really by the time we start going. This pullback is probably the last pullback we're gonna get around this zone. It's good. Yeah, it's gonna be a big move, guys. Look at it on the daily volume, man. We about to go on down red volume. On the H4, we're already on all down red volume. On the H4. On the H1, we're already doing that as well. It's just now we're just getting a little pullback. Alright, and then from there you enter. Reason why we're not entering here, see, some people got tricked. Some people got tricked at this sell here and thinking it was gonna sell now. This could have been a great entry. This is where I was actually already planning on entering, guys. I told you guys that. But look what it's doing now. Going right back up, because the full destination that it really wants to reach is right up there, exactly around the key zone area. I hope it fully tests it. If it doesn't, oh well. If it does, great. You feel me? And if it doesn't, I'm gonna keep an eye on it and just manual enter somewhere very, very solidified, like a good area, like a key zone area. Besides that, that's all there is to it. We're not gonna do too much to this one right now, and that's pretty much it. You guys have the signal. Take the trade, lock in, and then let's just wait. All right. So next pair on my list is NAS 100. Let me have a new template on this. I want to see this clear. It's another template I have. Oh yeah. This was a beautiful entry, man. But this one is going to be very nice as well, so don't miss that one. For sure. Alright, so yeah, let's wait. See what's going on. This is another potential that I got here on a different view. Clear, I call it clear. Just so I can see everything a little clearer as well. It's just a template. I'll show you guys in the videos on how to get your own template and stuff, so definitely utilize it. Alright, Nas, man. What do you guys think Nas is going to do? Let me know. Let's see. Man, I ain't gonna lie. This Nas is looking very juicy for a buy. From what I could see here. Very, very juicy for a buy. I'm actually gonna have a pending order buy right here, man. I can't help myself here. It's so clear. It's just so easy. It could have been nice for a sell, right? From there to there, of course, from there to there. But look what it did. It just completely went back up. Alright? It completely went back up. So right now, alright, on the daily time frame, this is how it's looking. We already been on the uptrend. Let's clear previous drawing. Alright. H4 is pretty high still. But it's not done because it may go up to try to test top Bollinger Band. Volume is strong. Volume is also pulling back up as well. Stochastic crossed back up. 50. Also 50 MA on the H1 time frame. Very clear. I'm going to go ahead and add an uptrend line right here. What am I doing? Come on, dude. I hate when this happens. Undo, undo. Yeah.
That would be great.
There it is. Uptrend here. I'm gonna do a pending order. Like I said here, I'm gonna do a retest at the daily for tomorrow. I'm gonna send it right now. I'm not hesitating at all this week. Alright, uptrend, higher high, higher low for a new higher high. It's gonna be a huge move. We're gonna get the entry right at the daily entry. Again, let's hide everything to see why. Middle Bollinger Band being respected on the 15. Already on the 30, broke the high. H1, broke the high. Next thing to do is go into H4. Here, yeah. Market breakout to the high. Retest, give us a re-entry opportunity here. 15-minute time frame, get the entry right at the middle again. which is also the daily entry. Watch this. Boom! You see that? Let's go. So now we're just gonna just do opening order, and we're gonna have it going just like this, and this is gonna be my moves for the week. Not for the week, at least for tonight going into tomorrow. Feel me? All right, exactly at the daily. We're gonna get this move a little bit higher would be even better. Yeah, this is an easy setup, man. This is one of the easiest setup I've seen in a long time. Although price is high, and I don't be liking that at all. But from what it's looking like, now this is gonna be a nice buy for sure. You okay, buddy? What happened? Did you drop the milk? Hold on.
It's okay. You drop the food though. It's okay. Daddy, pick it up.
Okay. Yeah, so we could have a super tight stop loss for this one actually. Right here. It's beautiful. And we're going up there. Look at this, guys. It's pretty clean, right? 2,000 plus. Let me go ahead and send this right now. Nice. If you caught this move from middle Bollinger Band, bro, this morning, or 50 MA on the H1, props to you. That was a great entry right here for the buy. Wow, shit. So beautiful. Right off that. Oh, right off the cloud moving average. Beautiful. All right, what we're going to do our pending order right here, though, for the retest, and then it's gonna take us. That's where it's gonna get us. So let's go ahead and send that too. Second signal of the day. Great, folks. We're going to do a sell limit. Oh no, buy limit. NAS 100. Buy price right above the daily, which is 23. I'm gonna make it a little bit tighter, to be honest. I don't mind this stop loss at all. Right here, a little higher. $23. 9.3. Stop loss. Price 23,356.9. TP. 23,598. All right, risk. Let's see. I'm gonna put it in right now to see how much we're risking to make. You okay, buddy? Alright, 23.
Subtlety isn't in your vocabulary, is it?
Stop loss is 23.
Trying to make me cry. Soggy mask isn't a pretty sight.
Alright, there it goes. 23. 356.9. 356.9. All right.
Oh wait, that's me.
We'll do it right here. 23. $397.40. What do you want now, King? Tell me. What is it? Tell me and I'll open it for you. Cupcake? Remember you threw it away earlier? You threw it on the floor because you was being bad? Now you want it.
Yes, and more yes.
Okay, I did promise you cupcake if you ate all your food. And you ate all your food. So I will give you cupcake. Hold on.
Yes, let me in. I'm your man. I'm your Spider-Man.
Do you want milk with your cupcake? Okay. Alright. 23. Alright, stop loss. I got it. 0.90. 1 second, okay, Kingy? And we're gonna do take profit, 80 or high. $23. 596.10. All right. Come on. What the hell?
Is this what it's come to?
23,596.10. 23,596.10. All right. I'm gonna be right back, guys, and we're going to review. Oh, these movies gonna be beautiful, man. Actually. On my end, my stop loss is a little bit different and take profit. It's a little bit different. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna fix it real quick. Come on, buddy. you bring me a cup? Bring me your cup so I can get you milk too. With the cup too. Bring me the milk cup. Yeah. Which one do you want? Okay, ready? Let's go sit down. Right here. Come eat it. Eat it right here, okay? Wipe your hands when it gets dirty. All right, back. Daddy duties, guys. All right, all right, let's get it. All right. Let's see where we at. Let me finish up this NAS real quick. It's not giving me the exact pricing that I want, but I got it. I'm just doing the pricing here, seeing what pricing makes more sense to send. Alright, let's see if our goal triggered yet. Not. Alright, here we go. This is it right here on TradingView. Let me check another NAS to see if it's the same pricing. So this one is saying 23. I think this one is more accurate. Let me see. Well, it is the same thing. Alright, 23.92, 30-minute time frame. 22.93, same thing. So that's the pricing I have, guys. That's the pricing I'm gonna send. But it's a little bit different on MT5 if you're trading on MT5, just so you know. So yeah, Just pay attention. But let me finish sending this TP. 23,598. 0.4 risk. Risking. This don't even tell us for real. I'm gonna risk like 75 points on this. Realistically. About 50. 65 is fine. $56 for 191. That's 50. Let's just do 170. 23, 328. 23, 328. Right there. That's 70 right there. 70 pips risk. Or points. For 190. Yeah, it's a great bargain. It's not bad. We're gonna do negative. And then we're gonna do reward. Plus 190 pips. Alright, note on this trade. Price is above key zone low and daily entry. It's a great setup for the buy since price broke back above the daily entry. The key entry zone. And then that's it. I'm about to publish and share with you guys, give you guys some time to review, and then that's all for the day, for real, as far as like signals. Alright, here's the signal, guys, so you guys could see it. Refresh. This is it. Buy limit NAS 100. Let me know what you guys think, man. These are my two plays for the day right now. So, what do you guys think about these moves? Let me know. Awesome. All right, man. Well, lock in, man. That's the group right here. It's where we share our signals, get them. This is the group chat where we chat about everything. Here's the game plan that we focusing on. My boy Rejas put it up today. Game plan is very simple. Only focus on 3 to 5 good setup every week, and we're gonna make 5K plus a month. All right. Some of us goals are bigger. We want to reach 1K to 5K days, but the routine is the same. 3 to 5 A plus setup every week. We should be good. That's 2 already. So I got about 3 more good setup in me for the week to catch a good bag. You know what I'm saying? We don't have to catch every little movement in the market. We need the best movement to make the best amount that we could make, and then from there we should be good. All right. Well, guys, I would love to stay a little bit longer, but I haven't had dinner yet, and it's getting pretty late. I need to get my son ready for bed real soon after he's done with his food. And then I have to just get ready myself as well. Make sure I'm locked in. Make sure I eat something. Do a little quick cleaning, and then lock in for the rest of the night, working on my trading, working on my business. But tomorrow, we are back at the same time. And guys, I promise I'll have more time to go over your pairs, different pairs that you may send in the chat. I didn't forget. So tomorrow, come back, lock in with me, and then we can go over it again. But overall, for today and for this week so far, we got 2 attempts in on the signals. This is where we are expected to go for gold. We know where we expected to go. We know the signals that we have. And now it's just a matter of time to wait for the moves to come to us, so we could take the best advantage of the market. Whenever we chase in the market, that's when we take losses. But when we be patient, trade our game plan, and wait for the move to come to us, we're going to have success. So that's pretty much it, man. And let's just stay locked in, man. That's all for today's session. And I'll talk to you guys soon, man. Have a good one. Talk to you guys tomorrow, same time. Don't be late.
It just gets worse.